Hey guys, today I'm making a Lego brick in Blender.
Alright, before the video starts, I was sick during the recording of this, so sorry that I don't sound very good. Anyway, enjoy the video!
We're going to start by getting the proportions of the brick set up using the app PureRef. This may take a little bit to set up, but once you're done it should start to look a little bit like this. The dimensions I used are 32 by 16 by 9.6. The schematic is in millimeters, but I find meters are easier to work with. Next is the studs. We'll start with the cylinder, and after the measurements are applied it should look like this. Then we will shade smooth the stud along with the brick for good measure. And then we'll add an array modifier. After messing around with the array, it should be spaced like this. And you're going to want to copy and paste it to the other side or use a mirror modifier, your choice. Once that's done, we're going to line them up with the brick properly. You may also want to fix the shading if there's any problems with it. The bottom isn't necessary, but it's a nice touch. We'll start by creating the outline by pressing E and then S in edit mode and then scaling down to create the smaller face. It doesn't need to be exact, but it needs to be close. Then we'll extrude upward with E until it's about here. Next is the cylindrical supports on the bottom of the brick. I used a 6.5 diameter on each support. The height doesn't matter, it just needs to connect to the top of the brick and the bottom. Now I am duplicating it twice for the two other supports. Then you're going to want to add a bevel to the Lego piece because it's not going to be perfect after repeated use. Now I'm going to make a texture for the brick. This slider controls the base color and the color of the imperfections, which are scratches in this case. This slider controls the shininess of the base surface. This one swaps the shyness between the base color and the imperfections. We're just gonna fix this slider and then I think we're pretty much done. Wait, something's missing. Oh crap, yeah, hold on a minute. Okay, so this bit here took like 30 minutes or so, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the time lapse. Alright, this is looking way better. Next up, I'm going to be setting up the scene using assets I found on BlenderKit. Why is this Lego guy so laggy? Now that that's all set up and it's rendered for a few hours, let's check out the final render.